Good morning, everybody. It's Miranda at Allen Samuel Chevrolet Buick GMC in Hearne, Texas. Our car of the day is a beautiful little 2020 Chevy Spark. What's different about this car, as opposed to most new cars these days, is that it has a manual transmission. Where is it, you ask?
It's right here.
Come on, get in. We got race car stuff to do.
So Justin, how does this little Spark hold up as a race car?
It's great. It's so small and nimble, nobody can touch me. And with almost 40 miles a gallon, I can get to the race, and get home on the same tank of gas.
Well, there you have it.
In conclusion, this 2020 Chevrolet Spark has tons of room for your racing gear, and it's small and nimble, and fits in all parking spots, and gets plenty of gas mileage. Almost 40.
Until next time, I'm Miranda,
And I'm Justin.
and we're here at Allen Samuel Chevrolet Buick GMC.
Come by.
Let's be friends.